Okay, hello dear friends, good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. And this is my last day. So much wind. This is my last day of school. And we do not have students, so I can wear a little bit fancy, colorful. And it's our school's party time. And the party theme was fiesta. So the day before yesterday, the day before this day, I went out even to San Francisco to look for some Mexican dress because the theme was fiesta and I could not find. So finally I end up whatever, just to make it colorful. Wear these clothes, and the hat is always flying away, so much wind. Anyway, so if so silly, if there is a chance, try to be happy. And I am happy. Look at this earring, and I made it. My friends ask, where did you get this earring? I said, I made it. And I have some other of these earrings, different color. This one is red, pink, red, very pink, because the clothes is quite pink. But I have green and other colors. And before arriving to the party, I went to see some very usual my often my refugee time. It's not only a nature's refugee, it's also a refugee for myself. I come here to just be alone. This place is not cared, and I think they are renovating this place to make it more prosperous, in a good way. I will explain you and update it about it. But anyway, I wish you happy every day and enjoy sunshine. Vacation is starting, and let's have fun, right? I love you. I really do.